Welcome back, traders. Happy to have you here today. The RedK Momentum Bars, RedK Mo Bars, is an indicator that offers a different way to visualize relative momentum and uses some simple TA concepts to provide a different perspective into how we read momentum changes and incorporate that in our trading. The idea behind this indicator is really super simple and is very loosely inspired by Elder's impulse system, EIS, then evolved into leverage some other concepts and to become less cluttering and easier to read. To apply this indicator on the trading chart, type the keyword RedK Momentum Bars, RedK Mo Bars, on the indicator folder here, and select the RedK Momentum Bars, RedK Mo Bars, EP by ctrader. Here's this indicator at the bottom of our trading chart. This trading indicator looks like the Mark D. Here are the components that make up the RedK Momentum Bars indicator. It's advisable to leave the default settings. As we can see, this indicator utilizes 3 moving average lines. The first line is a relatively fast MA with a short length of 6 by default. This acts as the main price tracking line. The second line MA is slightly slower than the main line with a short length of 8 by default and will by default use the open value as a source. This works better to identify when the closing price starts to move faster than the open, as in bars more frequently close higher than they open. The third line is a much slower MA with a length of 24 by default and acts as a filter or a baseline. This baseline has a scale value of 0. Traders can adjust this line to suit their trading style and time frame. The style folder here houses the Mo Bars body color, the wick color, and the border color. Here's the 0 line of the scale value 0 with blue color. Once again, traders can adjust these colors to suit their color of interest. It's time we see how this trading indicator works in the market. The crossover of the green and red Mo Bars above and below the 0 line gives the signal of a buy and sell signal on this trading indicator. Whenever the Mo Bars is above the 0 line, we should favor long positions. This occurs when the main MA is above the signal MA, thereby making the bar turn green. The upper section here above the 0 line signifies bullish territory. And whenever the RedK Mo Bars is below the 0 line, we should favor short positions. This occurs when the main MA is below the signal MA, thereby making the bar turn red. The lower section here below the 0 line signifies bearish territory. Also, the white bar usually shows up when there's a detected change in the direction of relative momentum. The RedK Mo Bars indicator can also be used to detect regular and hidden divergences on the trading chart. As we can see on this price chart, price made a higher high swing to the high swing here. On the RedK Mo Bars indicator here, there was a formation of a lower high to the last high here. This was opposite to the swings on price chart. This is called a bearish divergence. Also here, there was the formation of a lower low to the last low swing here. On the indicator chart, there was an opposite swing with a higher low swing to the last low swing here. This is called a bullish divergence. At this zone here, there was the formation of lower high swing to the last higher high swing on the price chart here. On the Mo Bars indicator chart, there was an opposite swing to the price chart direction. The RedK Mo Bars chart swing resulted in a higher high swing to the last higher high swing here. This is called a hidden bearish divergence. In order to have a high winning probability with the RedK Mobars indicator, make sure you implement it to trade in a liquid market.